Hey, I'm Anya, a jazz student at Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Come and explore the jazz scene in Cardiff with me. Let's start at the Flute and Tankard, where every Tuesday and Wednesday at 8:30 p.m, Royal Welsh College students gather to play and watch fantastic gigs brought to you by student bands and guests from all over the world. There's also a jam session on the second Wednesday of each month. Also in the town centre, we have Porter's, a live music venue which regularly puts on jazz concerts in a club setting. This is the one where you can dance the night away. You can follow their Insta to see all their upcoming events. For a more chilled vibe, head to the arcades. At Gin and Juice, every Friday at 8 p.m, a different jazz ensemble plays some lovely music. It's the perfect place to unwind after a busy week, with your friends and a lovely glass of gin. If you're looking for a charming evening in a quieter part of town, King Yard's Road in Pontcanna is the place to go. Their concert venue, Yardbird, regularly hosts jazz events in a lovely rustic setting. And there's pizza! Follow Yardbird on Insta for info about the upcoming events. But if you're looking for something closer to home, the student areas also have some vibrant spots to offer. In Rove, Paradise Garden offers music enthusiasts a variety of gigs. Regular jazz ones include the Bamsu Jam happening each last Thursday of the month and Outer World. Outer World usually happens 2 weeks ahead of Bamsu at the same time, and it's a space where musicians playing different genres collaborate and improvise some new music. In cafes, on the second or third Sunday of each month, come to Mech Coffee to enjoy your morning brew while a jazz trio is serving some standards. And of course, in our very own building, we have Amser Jazz every Friday. There's so much jazz happening in Cardiff, and all of us at Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama are so proud to be a part of it. Want to discover the vibrant and busy musical life of Cardiff? Then join our jazz department.